In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Copilot data settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Copilot controls in GitHub and how to adjust feature availability, privacy, and visibility so they match your preferences or your organization's policies. Start by logging into GitHub. Use the account that has access to Copilot, whether it's your personal account or a work account. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that so you land on your GitHub home screen. Next, look to the upper right corner of the page and click your profile avatar. In the menu that opens, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area. On the left, you'll see a sidebar with categories that organize all of your options. In that sidebar, find the section labeled Code, Planning, and Automation. Under that section, click Copilot. If you don't see Copilot listed, double-check that Copilot is enabled on your account or that you're viewing the correct account if you use multiple profiles. For enterprise users, some options may be managed by an administrator and could appear read-only. Once you're on the Copilot page, go to the Features area. This is where you configure how Copilot behaves and what data it can use. You'll typically see toggles for specific features such as code completions in your editor and Copilot chat. Choose which features you want enabled across your account. If you prefer a more minimal experience, you can keep only the features you actively use. You'll also find privacy and data controls here. These settings determine what telemetry is shared to improve the product and how suggestions are generated. If you want tighter control, select the options that reduce data sharing and limit suggestions that may closely match public code. For many users, a good rule of thumb is to choose the strictest privacy level that still gives you the assistance you need. If you work in a regulated environment, align these settings with your organization's policies. Visibility settings let you decide where Copilot is active. For example, you can restrict Copilot to certain repositories or allow it for private work while keeping it off for public projects. This can help you avoid accidental suggestions in contexts where you don't want AI assistance. After you've made your choices, look for a Save or Update button if one is shown. Some pages save automatically. Either way, watch for a confirmation banner. Changes generally apply across devices where you sign in with the same account, but you may need to reload your editor or extension to see them take effect. That's it, you've successfully managed your Copilot data settings in GitHub.